Hi, folks. I'm Tom Konvicka with the latest as far as the additional warnings lifted here right now. From the Weather Service, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Beauregard and Vernon parishes. This is in the northwest part of Beauregard Parish. Again, severe thunderstorm warning until looks like tornado watch for 9 o'clock for St. Landry. But the warning, let me go to that. To the south right there, and that is the severe thunderstorm warning until 2:45 for portions of Beauregard. That would be the northwest part of Beauregard and the southwest part of Vernon Parish. And let me kind of zoom in and give you a little idea who's affected with this. We see a pretty good storm working its way in from that direction from the southwest, going across portions of East Texas and then in toward the warned area. So this includes the city of DeRidder, and I'll put the warning back on so you can see that right into the city limits of DeRidder, and then all of the southwest part of Vernon Parish. Of course, this is west of Highway 171, and much of this is just to the south of Highway 190 there in Beauregard Parish, from Junction and some of those areas to the north and all the way into western Vernon. So the threats here would be hail and some strong wind. Of course, always remember the lightning dangers. Let's see how much lightning this thing's putting out. Not a lot of lightning with that right now, but again, there is that threat for hail and some higher wind throughout the next, looks like about the next 30 minutes. Going over to the tornado watch area, this only includes portions of St. Landry Parish over in that direction. And here's what I think is happening meteorologically is, first of all, we have surface temperatures are in the 60s back up toward Natchitoches and Alexandria, also areas to the northeast toward Natchez, Mississippi, Vidalia. And then looking down to the south at Oakdale, we have readings in the, I believe it's 82 degrees in Oakdale. We have 82 down toward DeQuincy, and we have upper 70s for DeRidder. And of course, that is much warmer. And so we have a little sweet spot of energy right in this particular area. And so it's not surprising to me that we're seeing the severe thunderstorm warning develop from this particular area on the southwest side. And many times when you study severe weather and severe signatures and environments relating what you see on radar to what kind of conditions are available in the atmosphere, there's that southwestern side right here of a line. This is a broken line, but it is a line nonetheless. That southwesterly storm many times is a problem maker because it is more apt to take in more fuel and energy as the conditions are warmer on that side. And that's exactly what's happening today. So we're going to watch that storm pretty carefully. Now, as it lifts to the northeast, it may weaken as it comes run into a little bit more stable air. But one of the other things that we're looking at here is, let's see, let me turn that off for just a second. And we'll go into a little bit of a larger view there. And then, let's see, I'll go a little bit larger than that one. Yeah, so we can start seeing, and we'll put this into motion again over the past hour. We're looking back off to the southwest and southeast, and we're seeing also a large area of convection developing across that portion of Louisiana, south central Louisiana and southeast Louisiana. And I think what's happening is that that is going to be the action point from that area on up in toward southwest Mississippi, central Mississippi, and eventually into portions of Alabama later on this evening and tonight, and probably into Georgia later tonight and into tomorrow morning. So I think what we are looking at here in Cenla, other storms back up to the northeast of us, of the metro area, they're thunderstorms, but we're not worried, or we don't see severe potential in that in the immediate future. Of course, I am monitoring this for any warnings and anything that might lead to the issuance of a warning. Right now, I just don't see that. So this is, again, this is the southwest guy right here that we're worried about as far as the potential for severe weather, because it has access to that extra energy and fuel as it's much warmer across southwest Louisiana for today. It's the kind of weather pattern that we're in. All right, so that's all I wanted to say. I'm going to work on a weather show here for you to give you another live stream maybe a little bit later on. Hopefully the weather will hold down, but if there are any other warnings, or especially tornado warnings or something like that, I'll let you know. But right now, it looks like the potential for the greatest severe weather threat now has shifted to the south and east of the Alexandria Pineville area, and only St. Landry is in the tornado watch that was recently issued by SPC. All right, thanks for being with me. I'll keep you informed, and I'll work on a weather show for you for later. Have a good one.